and final college series. In this video, I'm going to be telling y'all the pros and cons of leaving home. So let's get started. So as you can see on my shirt, I graduated from Middle Tennessee State University and it is 3 hours away from my hometown. Let's talk about the pros first. It is your first taste of being out on your own. You're in high school, your parents pretty much do everything for you. I wasn't responsible for a lot of household chores. When I moved 3 hours away from home, I was responsible for everything. Feeding myself, getting myself up on time, for doing my own laundry, cooking. Really appreciate that because now I pick up after myself more often. Now that I have lived where I was responsible for picking up my mess, I'm more conscious of what I leave out and conscious when things get dirty. You meet new people from all over. You are taking yourself and putting yourself in a whole different environment. You're gonna be around so many new people. There were some other people that I met from Texas, foreign countries. There are just so many people that I got to know because I left home. I left my comfort zone. You develop your own routine. You're in high school, you kind of have a pre-made routine for you. You get up at this time for school, you eat at this time, get on the bus at this time, or you drive to school at this time. You get out of school at this time, go home, you do your homework at this time. When you're in college, you can get up whenever you want to, you can go to bed whenever you want to. Nobody telling you to do your homework. It's hard to develop your own routine. Even as a 22-year-old college graduate, I'm still trying to develop my own routine. It's really easy to get out of that routine. You do not have classes at the same time every day. You might have a class at 9 a.m. on Monday, 12 p.m. on Tuesday. You have to adapt your routine to your obligation. So in college, you really don't have like set in stone schedule. I think that was one of my downfalls. So here are the cons. You can be lonely if you did not come into college with any friends. I only had one person that I came into college with, and that's really all you need. And even if you don't have any friends coming into college, join some clubs. Is the lack of support. Most people like to have somebody physically there to support them. If I was not having a good day, I could just call somebody on the phone and be good. Some people have to have somebody physically there. So if you're the person that has to have someone physically there for you, then I do not suggest moving anywhere out of town. When things get hard, it's all on you. You might have trouble adjusting. It really depends on the culture of the city. If you don't like it, you can always just move back home. So you've come to the end of this video. Media will be down in the description box as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.